How to fix Android not receiving calls. So if you want to fix Android not receiving calls, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with network and internet. Under network and internet, you need to go with SIM card and mobile network, tap on it, and then make sure that you have a SIM card at first. And once you have the SIM card, you just need to simply choose the SIM card in which you are facing the problem. And after that, make sure that you've enabled the SIM card. Go with the upper right, which has that enable SIM card option, and enable the SIM card. Once you've enabled the SIM card, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you just need to simply go back and go with search on the upper right and search for reset. And once you search for reset, here you will have your reset options. Tap on reset options and tap on it again. And here you will have an option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap on it and then go with reset settings, which is on the bottom. And once you've reset, you need to restart your device, and after that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix, then make sure that you don't have any updates. So you just need to simply go with the system updates, which is right here, and make sure that you've updated your system. Once you've updated, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Android not receiving any calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.